Let's see the vertebrate animals. Fish. Fish live in water, in freshwater and in oceans. Fish have fins and scales, also have gills and a layer of slime. They are oviparous and they are cold-blooded.
Amphibians. They have moist skin and thin skin. They breathe with lungs and gills. They go through metamorphosis phase. They have long tongue, big googly eyes, few teeth, poisonous skin, and they live in water and on land, but always in humid habitats. They are cold-blooded and oviparous.
Mammals. They have lips and teeth. They also have hair. They have sweat glands and mammary glands. They live in the seas, fresh water, and on land. They breathe using lungs. They are warm-blooded and viviparous.
Reptiles. They have scales, bony skeleton, dry skin, and ear holes, and some of them have a shell. They breathe using lungs, and they live mostly in dry habitats, some of them on land and others in water. They are cold-blooded. Most of them are ovoviviparous, although some of them are oviparous.
Birds. They have holes to hear. They have hollow bones, feathers, they breathe with lungs, and they have wings. They live around the world. They migrate. They communicate with each other. They are warm-blooded and oviparous.